Hello, welcome to the second meeting. Our today's topic is about how to make a certificate. So, here we take a look on the handout that you have. I want you to read on the part B, certificate, from its definitions and then the types, just definition and the types. So I will give you time to read about 10 minutes. Okay, or you just read and you can stop this video. Okay, so you all finished to read. So what do you know about certificate? Yeah, as can be seen from the handout, certificate mostly is a document that serving as evidence or as written testimony as a status, qualifications, privileges, and the other one. So, talking about the types, there are so many types, which are business, healthcare, education, technology, art and design, and etc. So I think that there might be lebih dari ini, masih banyak sekali jenis-jenisnya. We only take a look on this point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, only 5 points. Okay, next. Now is the time to talk about the parts of certificate. So for the parts of certificate, I have the example. Yeah, here is the certificate. Can you guess what kind of certificate is this? Yeah, that's right, it is business because it is written here business certificate. So the first one, the thing that you need to write is about the name of institution. The name of institution here is company business. And then the heading, what is that? Example is here, certificate or achievement, capaian, kehadiran, apresiasi, dan seperti kalau sudah melengkapi sesuatu. Here is about business certificate. Okay. And the bridge itu kan artinya jembatan. Jadi in this point the function is to menghubungkan dari heading ke nama dan the purpose. Jadi so for the examples are confirms that this is to certify that and etc. Here the bridge is here. The certificate is awarded to. And after the bridge, we have name of participant. Just input the name here. And what else is about the purpose? For having accomplished on specify, you can fill something here. And the date and place, and also the signature. The date and place. Oh, jadi yang di sini tidak ada, tapi it would be better if you have a complete certificate. Jadi harus ada tanggal, bulan, ya seperti sertifikat yang Bapak Ibu sudah biasa lihat. Here also the signature. So that is the parts. This example of business. I have example of health certificate. It's about education. We made it by ourselves. We wrote training center and innovative teaching UKSW, which means P3I. And then here we have technology certificates. Here is art and design certificate. And the last one also art and design certificate. So the purpose and the purpose is usually depends on the kind of certificate. Okay, thank you. The next one will be explained by Dennis.
Okay, so in here we have a video about how to create a certificate by using Canva. So we will provide the link on the description so you can access it by yourself. And next we have individual tasks. So in here Bapak Ibu harus bekerja secara individual to create or design your own certificate as creative as you can using Canva. The topic can be seminar certificate about maybe about online education, and you may use your time to create it. Now we will give you time as long as you can finish it. So you may pause the video first. Okay, sharing time. So you can share your certificate, what is it about, and what's element in there, what are the element you use in the comment. Next, mini quiz. So here we have 4 kind of posters, and you have to match the kind of poster below. Okay, the first one, there's a poster with a person there, and then the second one is kind of like event, and then we have a woman there, and the last one is about person grabbing someone's mouth. So you may pause the video and guess what kind of poster is it. Okay, next we have, please take a look at both certificate and try to identify the function or purpose of each certificate and focus on their difference and similarities. Jadi di sini ada 2 jenis sertifikat. Nah, di sertifikat ini tuh Bapak Ibu harus mengidentify fungsinya sebagai apa, lalu tujuan sertifikat ini sebagai apa. You may pause the video and try to answer it. Okay, I think this the end of our meeting. So, maaf jika ada salah kata, and see you on the next video. What?